lima mga kanin sa anak ko. Nakikita ko ang kanin, napaka-smart ako. Wala na bang kanin dan? Wala. I have a printer. It's 11 years old. This is look like my printer. Putas. Snow talaga ang print ko. Snow, may dating snow. Kaya ko liwas. May kang print ko na ito. Ay, nakakaya yun. Ay, dyan mo dito ka na. This is not dangerous scientist. I'm a scientist, but I got this. This is a dangerous. With lemon, invisible lemon, invisible lemon, na toxic. With toxic beef, toxic credit natin. Na toxic na kanan. Toxic fruit. Green na scroll. Meron pang rocks tsaka dirt. Dangerous for your body. Total scientist. No, this one. Getting dangerous. And this is dangerous. It's really secret box. This is for dangerous. But here are good. But here guys, nakita mo to, habang nakakrist ka, habang ininom mo, okay, ganito. Pag ininuman mo, magkakabalitot ka. Ito siya, ang ganito, tapos kay ka ng tulog. Kaya, ang mga Barbie toys, tsaka, everything is alive. Everything is alive. Like, click! Ulo! This is baby no. Now, everything is alive. Now, we're gonna click. This toxic lemon juice is really toxic. Yung toxic chili juice na sauce. Sauce. The next one is dangerous one. Pinaka-dangerous one. We're gonna try but titikman mo to ng one bite. This is a hard one. Don't take it. You're gonna try with this. Look like this. Ganon. Now back to survive. Agiging ganito. Maiikot ka like this. And makakambang like this. Okay. Now, tapos na. Nanood natin ang video na ha.